Hey, what's going on? Chris Fuller with Pioneer Recent Technology. Had a teacher reach out to me, and they teach math, and they wanted to be able to move around their classroom while still working problems on the board. So I've been using Canva a whole lot, and so we're going to leverage the whiteboard to do this for us. So you've got to have two devices. One device, maybe your Smartboard or your laptop plugged into your projector. Go ahead and log into Canva and open up a whiteboard. The next thing you're going to do is grab an iPad, a phone, something with a screen where you're not tethered and you can kind of walk around, and you're going to open Canva on that second device. And you're going to see your whiteboard waiting for you right there. Tap that draw tool on the left, grab your felt tip marker or your pencil, and now you're going to be able to move around your class. So we'll put our equation up there. So this is me just writing on my tablet, and now it's appearing on my screen. Oh no, Chris, I'm out of space. We're just going to two finger. You can pinch, you can zoom. I'm just going to two finger scroll down. So all we did was leverage the Canva whiteboard with a second device, and then we can move around the class as much as we want. So give that a try and let me know how it works for you.